we're here. We've got cornice happening. Got a tape measure, got our pencil, got our cornice box, got our 55mm cornice. Now there's diagrams on the side. And Eugene one day caught me looking at the diagrams and then he ripped it. So then tried to stump me. Thankfully, I took a picture of another box in store and I have a copy on my phone. So there's nothing you can do about that, huge. But anyway, I learned, and I also, if you look closely, it actually has, you probably can't see, but all the different size cornices. And what it means is 55mm back, that's 55mm from there to there, and that's 75, and so on. So I know that it fits in there. So we're doing this one first, and our first one, we're gonna start on this side, is 540, and we have a external on the right. So that's an external there. And when you're learning, this is a quick cornice tutorial. So just when you're learning, set up here, you have your cornice up on the wall like that. So it's easy to imagine. So you want that piece there, that's there. Then, once you got it in line, don't confuse yourself, just go around to the box and cut it. When Eugene was teaching me, he'd say, upside down and back to front. And I'd just be like, huh? So, don't worry about all of that. Just get it in place. And cut a few tester pieces. See that? That's an internal. That's a left internal. So it goes that way. That's a left internal. Mark it, write it if you want. And if you cut a left internal, it leaves a right external, and that's what we got here. So we've got to go 540 across, and then we want a left offset external. So these are the offsets. So that, anything going back in is an internal, anything going out is an external. So that would be our external. So we're measuring from this piece here, not the edge, not the top. You always measure the bottom of the cornice. So I'm measuring from here. Another easy way is to slide it back in the cornice box, like right there, and then just measure like that. So we want 540, we're gonna just mark that. 540. And we want it to, it is a external. So it's gonna come, we're looking for something like that. And that's exactly that one. So that's what we're gonna cut. So don't confuse yourself again. You only come around this side and cut it because it's a neater cut. You don't have to, but it's a neater cut. And that pretty much goes up there like that. That'll be fine. I don't need to test that. So what we'll do, we'll just slide that over there and make another one. You want to make sure that's sort of straight if you can, or else that's how you get the best sort of miter. Okay, so that's the right side of that piece go, if you show them that. There's a measurement there, 1215. So 1215 to our internal offset angle. 1215. So what I'll do, I'll put it back to the middle here. That would be that one. It's really easy once you grasp it. Really easy. that one. Next one, 1958, so we need a offset internal. Move those over there, just so we don't stand on them. So we need an offset internal straight away, which should be that because it's going in. One offset internal, right side. We're looking for a left offset internal. So we'll move the miter box to there so we can get a measurement if you're by yourself. And it is 1958. Box down like that, don't spin it around or anything. Internal is this one. So we're going to cut that. You don't want to stuff up because this is all the cornice we got. Okay, so I'm just going to take this up here, see how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful. Pretty much going to go like that. Like that. It's about right. Leave that up there. Next two. Got this one here. Goes up like that. I'm gonna just need to trim this a little bit up a bit better. That pretty much goes like that. And that goes like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Okay. So we're gonna mix up mud now. We're gonna get this straight on. I'm gonna top coat. dog in the store. Hello, Pooch. All right, we're looking for some lights today because we have a new job that we're doing, and the electrician is taking all the lights down. We can't see anything, and we're painting in the dark. Oh, that's a lot of money. It's $349 for that, but it's nice, isn't it? No, we saw that one, and that in that other shop it was $199. I think it was that one, but that one looks good. And these you can also, you can go right around, and you can also, it comes with a cable, so not just batteries. So you can plug it. You can plug it into the wall, or you can use your battery. Yeah. So they call that a hybrid. Put a battery in, or you can plug it into the wall. I only like to buy good things now, like good tools and whatnot. But they sometimes have ones on a big stand as well. Ones like this, or ones like this. But I don't have this brand tools, only this one.
Why? Does everything have to be this brand?
Because I have these batteries as well.
Oh, okay.
I have a few different brands as well, but once you start collecting these, like that tool back there is my favorite tool.
What is it?
It's a drywall cutter, so you can, like, you know, the ceilings, if we have to cut a square out of the ceiling, you just put it like that and cut the square out, and the vacuum goes on the end, so it sucks all the dust away as well, and it's battery operated. And I have a Makita vacuum, which is a battery vacuum as well. And these are like drills that you can screw the ceiling up, and you don't have to put one screw in at a time, it's automatic. And like I have this for at home, and it can suck up leaves, it can blow leaves, all the same battery.
Even I know that, like,
blower vac, yeah.
that this is like a good one. I've used some like other brands and stuff, but they're not powerful at all.
This one's really good.
Yeah.
I got one of those. So yeah, that's why. And then obviously I got this in the car. This can do up basketballs and bikes and everything like that. Yeah. So once you get it, 2 6s, 2 6 amps. Hey Poochie, you want to be on my video? You don't want to be on my video either, hey? Do you want to be on my video? Nobody wants to be on my videos around here anymore. All right, we're going. No, he's not down. He's not down. Oh, all right. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, it's me, the quiet. All right. See the dark? How dark it is? Welcome back, everyone, to our next job. We've got James on the cobwebs over there. Hello, James. And we've just picked up some Makita lights, 2 Makita lights. We've picked up some batteries. And we're going to actually need the lights going to see these lights in this one.